How to use Whitehat Junior account on Android. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Whitehat Junior on your Android device. So you don't need any laptop or PC to use this Whitehat Junior application. So without wasting time, let's get started inside the video. So you can see here, this is my Whitehat Junior application, and then I have already created an account. So if you haven't created any account, this is my account. So I have successfully created an account from there, from my Android. So you can check it out on the description box how you can install and um, sign into the account. So you sign up or sign in. So let's get started to the video. First, what you need to do here, you have to go to your Chrome browser here, and after going to this Chrome browser, let me just show you from the beginning. So here on the search bar, you have to simply search for Whitehat JR. So after searching for this type of interface will be pop up. So what you need to do, you have to simply click on this 3 days on the top right of your screen here, and then you have to click on this desktop side. So you have to click here, simply click here, and this type of interface will be pop up. So what you need to do, you have to zoom up little bit, and then here you can see login options. So guys, simply click on this login option, and then guys, you can see I'm gonna show you how you can use Whitehat Junior on your Android. So let me just stop this. Okay, so this is the interface. So you can see here, this is my account. So let me just zoom in little bit. Now what you have to do here, it's very pretty simple. You just need to click here on the top left, and this type of interface will be pop up. So here you can see you have to sign in first. Okay, so I have already signed in. So here you can see profile icon. So if you want to edit the profile, simply click on this profile, and then here you can see this type of interface. So guys, let me just show you how you can do that if you want to edit anything. So here you can see we can't edit anything. So if you want to edit it, just simply click on edit profile here, and then here you can see this type of interface will be pop up. So to edit your email address, you can just simply type to edit your phone number, simply type here. You can edit your phone number, and also if you want to edit your gender, just go for male. Let me just go for male right now, and then here you can see date of birth. So simply click on date of birth, and then you have to select your date of birth, and here you can see college school name. You can just enter your school college name, and then current residence, and then just click on update option. So it's done. So I hope this is the first thing what you can do here. And then here you can see here to change the profile picture. Here you can see, just you can do it, just click here, and then you can select the image from your phone. Let me just show you. Let me just select this random picture here. Okay, let me just click done. So guys, you can see here my profile picture has been changed. In this way you can change your profile picture also. So let me just go to home page now, this part, and here you can see this type of interface will be pop up. So what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. You can see here, you can manage everything from here. You can see, you can just share the link here. You can see you can book it. So guys, in this way you can use, you can modify, you can edit the Whitehat Junior on your Android. I hope this video will absolutely help you out to edit or to use the Whitehat Junior on Android. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.